Hey buddy, it's John with Planet Tech, and today we're going to be doing an Unreal Engine. I don't want to say tutorial because it's not like a full-on tutorial because I'm still not super versed in the Unreal Engine, but it got to the point between this and the last video, and I think that was like a couple of years ago, to where I kicked it around enough to where I started picking up some stuff. So go out there to other people who are gonna like show you a whole lot more. But this is me building a project, and every time I build something with code, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm doing. So this is for my top-down shooter. You may have seen some of it done in Copper Cube. Well, I'm still doing it in Copper Cube, but now I'm building it in Unreal, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with Unity. So you're going to be seeing, uh, I guess, part tutorial, part me stumbling around and finding, uh, I guess, a good, not the probably the best way on how to do something, um, but my way on how I'm coding this stuff. So I'm using Blueprint because coding is kind of like bare minimum on this side. But, but, if we do blah 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 has unresolved compiler error, play and editor, we're still gonna play. This guy rotates, and he's got the WAS control. So if I do S, he's gonna go down on the box. He's gonna go up on the box if I press the W control, and then if I do D, he's right, and if I do A, he's gonna move left. But not the arrow keys, but he rotates. This is super basic. This is me just playing around and stumbling across stuff and figuring out how to work stuff. So, we're gonna compile. Okay. Does that fix it? Hold up, I'm figuring out my compile issue. Okay, that worked. That worked. Okay. So, what do we do? Basically, you're going to take the top-down control project, and you're going to just strip out all the coding. And then I will have a video up on that bit. There'll be a fully fleshed out tutorial. Today I'm just kind of like showing you guys some cool stuff. This is the coding. And to create one of these things, you're going to click right. But you can also, no, just click right. Okay. And then we're going to just type in some stuff, okay? So I'm going to show you guys all this stuff, well, how to get it. And then so like say we want to get the get actor location, so it's going to be get, I need to type that, get actor location, so we're just going to click that, boom. And then what we would do is just literally drag it, and then if I was like, hey, find look at rotation, find look at rotation, click that, and you're just going to click and do that. Okay, so basically you're just going to search for these names, the get hit result under center channel, break hit result, find look at rotation. Again, I'm not the best guy to get the straight up information from. So you're going to look for a rotate to face cursor, and we're going to go to set cursor rotation. And then you're going to need a self, a get actor location, so that's constantly pinging, hey, where is he, where is he, where is he, where is he? We're going to get a get player controller, and it's seeing what you're using. Are you using a game controller, or are you using a mouse and keyboard? We're using a mouse and keyboard. We're going to do the return value to target, and then we're going to go get hit result under cursor by channel, and then we're going to say hit result, we're going to say hit location, but we can do hit component, hit item, so say we're shooting at something, we'll probably use this a little bit later. Location, we're going to say to target, return the value of Z, that's the plane platform, that's basically the floor, it's just you looking down. And we're going to go to new rotation. We hit play, it's gonna. And that's how we get this. We're gonna stop that. Boom. Event graph, and then this is for the movement aid. This is for your movement. So input axis forward, add movement input. This is world decision, so 90 going forward. Y and Z are 0. Scale the value. Rotate face cursor. Self. Input axis move right. We're going to go to a movement input. Self. At 0, 90, 0. Scale value. Back to self. Again, not a full-on tutorial, just me doing the whole like figuring out stuff, and that's our character, which I will be replacing once he gets done. He's about 30% done, so so we'll be able to actually move in the world with an actual game character. Boom. And then I'm using the Hero TPP Anime Blueprint. Animation Blueprint, use Animation Blueprint. So this has helped me create this top-down setup, so I can I'm gonna perfect them, but do my top-down shooter. And then I'm gonna see if I can build the same thing in Unity using their one of their coding systems, like I think it was a Block or something, Bolt. It was Bolt, but they also have 2 or 3 others that I want to check into. And then we'll move into actually creating a sci-fi environment, like a little demo level with animated doors, pickups, health pickups. Interacting with other characters. I really want to see how this does. So I understand that this video wasn't like a perfect tutorial, but hopefully you got something, and hopefully the next tutorial will be a little bit better. Again, not full 100% a tutorial, more like a little show through. But if you have any questions, put them down in the comments and I'll answer them the best I can, or I will answer them in the next video. But again, if you want to see some like better videos, I will put links down below to 2 or 3 other Unreal guys who know what they're doing better than what I'm doing. This is just a little showcase for a project that I'm working, and I'm showing you some of the code and how it works. So I'll see you guys later. Comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff down below. I'm working on a couple of videos. It's just busy with life and craziness. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.